This is a great position for me to be able to guide people to the backyard, show them the living room, direct them to the kitchen, direct them to one or two of the bedrooms in this section of the house. And the door, the entrance is right here. Okay? This central location allows me to oversee everybody, greet people as they come in. Again, this is a small 1,500 square foot home. But if need be, I can create enough of a distraction where all I do is rush out the door, or all I do is create an exit where I can close the door to one of the bedrooms, this one having an exit to the front, through the front of the house to the outside, or maybe a backyard escape. Again, always about checking the exit routes. So again, this is the point of view of the entrance, the kitchen, and out there is an exit through the garage, exit through the backyard, or I can hide myself in the bedroom, which has an exit to the street. Another safety open house best practice is you can have your sign-in sheets and brochures, flyers, materials about the home, maybe even a QR code where you can capture the information of a potential visitor. You do have that table that creates an obstacle between you and the opponent. So if you're not sure about them, you can simply walk around, and as you walk one way or another, they can't get to you. Getting to you will create a distraction on their end, will create a hurdle, will create something that makes it easier for you to get out. So again, you are safe on this side, and you can approach one of two exits in this particular house situation. The front door, which is right here, or the exit to the garage, and the garage door has been left open, again, for that quick exit. Another easy barrier is to have a counter between you and the possible threat. However, I'm also going to show you how this particular scenario is not good, because I'm essentially cornering myself into a little cul-de-sac area of the kitchen. And I'm also going to show you how I master my environment to get out of this situation and create an escape route. Point of view of a threat. I am now cornering whoever's in the kitchen without a way out. Make your way out before being blocked in. Problem, the garage door is locked. Front kick to push away your opponent. Make your way out of the house through the garage. So one of the things you can do as you're hosting your open house is act completely natural. Like I am right now, I'm just leaning on the counter. I'm having my drink. Maybe I want to check, how hot the temperature of my liquid is. Take a sip, and it's a perfectly natural action to loosen up the lid. This is actually a weapon, because the loose lid or the open container is an easy way to splash some liquid directly into some opponent, somebody who's about to attack you, and that gives you a precious couple of seconds so you can get out. You can continue to be social, yet protected and mindful and aware while you're having, let's say, your beverage, your drink. Take a little sip here and there, maybe close the lid. You also have access to your staging, where you can rearrange certain things. And these things that you're rearranging to make sure everything is okay can become weapons as well. All you need, again, is a distraction to make your way to an escape route.